Today's featured truck of the day is a 1980 Toyota Hilux SR5 four-wheel drive pickup truck. This beauty was at my local classic car auction and truck in Palm Springs, California, where it sold for $25,250. And it was a beauty. It was a one-owner California truck, still the original paint that's on it, which looks fantastic. And it had factory power steering and factory air conditioning and only 54,000 miles. So that's why on one hand, it seems like it was a great deal. On the other hand, it seemed a little bit light for what you got for the money, because it would cost a lot more than that to replicate it. But anyway, I'm going to have the video play again for you so you can hear what it sounds like being at the actual auction. But thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate it. And that's today's featured truck of the day, 1980 Toyota Hilux SR5 4x4 pickup truck. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.